raining outside. It's beautiful. I hope everyone's having a good day. Yesterday, Sony released the slim versions of the PS5 console. Now, we have seen in previous generations that they'll always release a smaller, leaner version of the current console. So in PS2, PS3, PS4, and I guess PS5 is getting the same treatment. It has reduced in volume by 30%. They have reduced the weight, which is great for people who want to move their beasts around. Big changes are that the digital version, the one without the disc, is going to get a price hike. It's now $50 more than it was originally. You know, there was a $100 difference between the digital and the disc version, but I guess now it's just 50. Another change is the side plates, the big white collar-like things are now going to turn into 4. They cut in the middle. Now I see the appeal. You know, you can mix and match colors. You know, put in a red, a green, you know, all around. But I guess you can't use the old face plates. Are they face plates or back? They're not in the back. Let's just call them side plates. So the side plates are not. I don't think they are compatible. The PS5 Slim side plates are for PS5 Slim, and the PS5 Original is for PS5 Original. They don't share. Something I wasn't on board with, or I didn't get the gist about, was you can turn the PS5 Slim in the digital version of the PS5 Slim into the disc version. They're selling the Blu-ray disc reader separately for around $70, $80. So then down the road, if you feel like you want to upgrade from the digital to the disc, you don't have to sell your digital version, add money, you know, like, and then buy the disc version. Now you just pay $70, attach it, and now you have a disc version. And don't worry, the Blu-ray disc reader reads the same as a normal disc. So hopefully we can also see that that's a replacement part for the disc version as well, you know, like in case your Blu-ray disc reader gets spoiled. I wasn't on board with it, I didn't understand, but I understand the appeal. I guess it's for those people who down the road wanted to change and didn't have that much money, or didn't want to spend that much money, like buy a new whole console, just pay $70. But other than that, it's the same. You know, there's nothing to write home about. I wanted to mention PS5 has a Slim, you know, and I doubt Xbox is going to do anything because the Slim version of the Series X is the Series S. I don't think they're going to change it. Sony didn't even change the internals, so Xbox has nothing to worry about. But we don't know. But yeah, I hope everyone's okay, and thanks for watching. See you real soon.